Better today, okay?
No, not today.
But tomorrow holiday, 3 days stay here.
What?
3 days stay.
Why?
Holiday, me holiday.
But today is also holiday.
Today going quite early, okay?
Today is Muslim Day, yes?
Yes, Muslim tomorrow holiday. 3 days this office closed, no security. 3 days this restaurant stop. You today go,
Okay.
quite okay?
I guess it's not really
This
choice.
side, yeah? Today, quite
Yeah.
3 day stay.
Yeah, no.
Thank you. No problem, just madam. Woman, man, the salam alaikum. 15 checkpost.
15 to go
15 checkpost. 15 checkpost.
until Kedah.
Quite 150.
Alright. Khuda Hafiz.